Is your Chevy Avalanche key fob from 2003 to 2006, model LHJ011, not working reliably? The most common culprit is a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that saves time and money compared to going to a dealership. This video will guide you through the process step by step. We'll show you how to restore functionality such as remote locking, unlocking, and panic alarms. The Chevy Avalanche key fob, model LHJ011, uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type powers the fob's wireless functions like remote locking and unlocking. CR2032 batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers such as Amazon and eBay. Their common availability makes replacement convenient and cost-effective. Using the correct CR2032 battery ensures proper fit within the fob's casing and maintains reliable function of all remote features. Avoid alternatives like the CR2025 battery, which is thinner than the CR2032 and can lead to poor contact or fit issues inside the fob. To replace the battery, you'll need just a couple of simple tools. First, a small flathead screwdriver for prying open the casing. A plastic pry tool is preferred to prevent scratches on the fob casing. Also, have a new CR2032 battery on hand, and it's a good idea to work on a clean, static-free surface to protect the fob's electronics. First, locate the seam on your key fob. This is usually found on the back or side of the fob. Gently insert a flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Twist or pry carefully to separate the two halves of the casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Work your way around the seam until the fob pops open. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Use a non-conductive tool, like a plastic spudger or even your fingernail, to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Note the orientation of the battery, positive side up, before removing it. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short circuits. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, making sure the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. The battery should snap into place easily. Double-check that it's securely seated in the holder. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them together until they snap shut. Ensure that the seam is completely closed and there are no gaps. Now, test the fob by pressing the butts from about 10 to 20 feet away from your Chevy Avalanche. The doors should lock-unlock, and the panic alarm should function properly. If your key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side is facing up and that you're using a fresh, new battery. If signals are weak, it may be due to radio frequency interference from nearby devices like cell phones, microwaves, or Wi-Fi routers. Move away from these sources to test the fob. If issues continue, the fob may need reprogramming. This is usually best handled by a professional mechanic or by following instructions in your vehicle's manual for the reprogramming process. For a more sustainable option, consider switching to rechargeable CR2032 batteries. These can be reused multiple times and help reduce waste from disposable batteries. By following these troubleshooting steps and tips, you can ensure your Chevy Avalanche key fob works reliably after battery replacement.